Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Edward Siaga Highway or Highway 2000 North-South leg. This is a road that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. And the government announced recently that they're going to be extending this road to Trelawney. So you'll be able to get on the highway in Kingston and go all the way to the border of St. Ann and Trelawney. Now, both major toll roads in Jamaica, Highway 2000 East-West leg and Highway 2000 North-South leg, the main goal of both highways is to go from Kingston to Montego Bay, connect both international airports. Highway 2000 East-West leg goes along the south coast, and that highway currently goes from Kingston to Mandeville, and then it will go from Mandeville to Montego Bay. Highway 2000 North-South leg currently goes from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and then it's going to go from Ocho Rios to Trelawney. That's the leg that they recently announced, and then eventually it will go from Trelawney to Montego Bay. Now, the government recently set up another international airport, or the Ian Fleming International Airport. So Highway 2000 North-South leg is also going to be extended from Ocho Rios to the Ian Fleming International Airport. So it's going to be extended to Trelawney on one side and then the Ian Fleming International Airport on the other side. But we'll talk about that leg in another video. And this is the actual highway that we are driving on now. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The government of Jamaica continues to advance its vision of a modern, efficient, and interconnected transportation network with the proposed extension of the North-South Highway. Announced by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, this major infrastructure initiative is designed to provide an alternative route for travelers between Kingston and Montego Bay, two of Jamaica's most significant economic and cultural hubs. According to Dr. Holness, the extended toll road will reach near the border of St. Ann and Trelawney parishes, opening up new lands for development and fostering the natural growth of the region. This strategic positioning will not only enhance connectivity but also support urban expansion, commercial investment, and residential development in northern Jamaica. The highway extension is being executed in partnership with China Harbour Engineering Company, one of the world's leading infrastructure contractors. The project will be implemented in two phases, ensuring careful planning, efficient traffic flow, and seamless integration with existing road networks. By adopting a phased approach, the government aims to minimize disruptions while maximizing economic and social benefits. Dr. Holness emphasized that the highway extension is expected to transform St. Ann into a new center of urban development. Improved accessibility will encourage private sector investment, stimulate tourism, and enhance the movement of goods and people. As a result, areas previously considered remote or underdeveloped will become viable locations for residential, commercial, and industrial projects. Beyond its economic and developmental significance, the extension of the North-South Highway represents a commitment to modern infrastructure planning and public-private collaboration. By leveraging the expertise of CHEC, Jamaica aims to ensure that the road meets international standards for safety, durability, and efficiency. This project reflects the broader strategy of enhancing the country's transportation system to support sustainable growth, improve logistics, and reduce travel times between major urban centers. In conclusion, the North-South Highway extension is more than a road construction project. It is a catalyst for regional development, economic opportunity, and improved quality of life. By connecting Kingston to Montego Bay more efficiently, opening new lands for development, and fostering urban growth in St. Ann, this initiative exemplifies Jamaica's ongoing commitment to modern, strategic, and forward-looking infrastructure planning. With careful execution and collaboration between government and international contractors like CHEC, The highway extension promises to be a transformative addition to Jamaica's national transportation network. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.